Hi guys, Fake Plastic Heads, TVG here, Outback Software. So today I want to show you a quick way to import audio from Maschine into Ableton Live. So let's just dive in. Let's say you have a project in Maschine. I'm gonna launch this application now. So I have this setup here for a new track that I'm working on. You can't hear it because I have to switch the preferences to Wasabi shared mode. Let's see. Okay, so TVG April new one. So that's in the Maschine software. So now I'm launching Ableton Live, and as you know, you drag Maschine to a MIDI channel or a new channel, and whoops. So first thing I'd like to do is make it large. So here we have Maschine. When I go to File, Open Recent, I have this TVG April new one. So we should be able to hear it. Yeah, so it's the same. Just as a plugin, of course. And let's say I'll mute these. And I'll mute the organ. So I want to have the kick. So what I'm going to do is go to this icon and drag it. Hold the left key, the mouse, and drag it to an empty audio slot. So voila, here you can you have the audio. Let's mute this one. So that's the kick drum. So now let's mute this one. Mute the kick as well, and let's see hi-hat. Okay. Again, this icon, drag it up here. So that's it, simple as that. So if sometimes I start just working in Maschine, then I was thinking, there has to be kind of a way to import it or export audio. You can export like file, export audio, all the sounds in a separate folder. So this one's like the fastest way. I got this bass. Or simply drag it up here to a new channel, audio channel. Okay, so that was a quick way to import, sounds from Maschine into Ableton using Maschine as a plugin, but also as kind of the software version that you've been working for beforehand. Take care.